Trader, 3 days ago, we had a big pullback in Service Now, and we went long. Yes, we did. We love this company. It's the best of the best, and it's testing resistance. We're in the calls. We bought the 870 call contracts. Let me show you our services. Click on Buy Now, Pay Later tab. I bought ServiceNow on my own program. On Buy Now, Pay Later, click on the tab. There's a sign up form. It tells you everything about the program. You get to get invested without having credit or a brokerage account. Yes, you got everything going for you. Just don't pass up the opportunity. ServiceNow is one of the best in the industry in AI, and we topped out up here, and we sold it when it was up here at 945. Now, we told everyone 2 days ago it was time to buy the calls. The low was 863, so the 860 calls are paying about 70% profit right now as we hit the resistance. Service Now, bullish, buy it. Service Now, buy now, pay later, use somebody else's money to make money.